video for today, I'm making creamy Big Mac cheese with Miss Pork, guys. Here's the ingredients. Ingredient, 500 gram Miss Pork. Gumamit akong 1 can na mushroom if is available sa bahay nyo. And then 1 glass cream sauce. So this is the going to do in hot pan with oil. So nag-add lang akong garlic and onion. So of course that is usual. And then add little bit vegetable to make it additional fragrant and special yummy. So i-add natin yung 600 gram na Miss Pork. Ginaling na karne, guys. It depends kung anong sa bahay available. Pwede nyo yung gumamit kayo ng chicken or beef or Miss Pork. So this is it, guys. Patuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-mix hanggang ma-change yung color ng Miss Pork natin, guys. So madalian itong pagluto natin. So this is it. Nag-additional lang akong salt and pepper for additional taste. So this is the change color already. So ay nag-add ko na yung mushroom. Gumamit akong 1 can na mushroom. In-slice ko lang siya na manipis, guys. Para ma-ano siya sa Miss Pork natin. And then i-mix lang natin dyan hanggang ma-mix lahat yung mushroom at saka Miss Pork. And then mag-additional na tayo 1 glass na cheese and cream. That is the best, guys. This is available in supermarket, guys. I use 1 glass, guys. It's yummy and delicious. So no need to extra spices, just only this one. If you have chili, pwede nyo lagyan ng chili. Sa akin, wala ako. Mahilig akong chili. Pagka ngayon, wala available na chili. Now that is done, is boiled. So, nag-additional akong bell pepper to make it colorful. Yung ano natin, creamy Big Mac and cheese with Miss Pork. So, this is it done. Done na, guys. Kumukulo na siya. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, nagluto na ako ng macaroni. 1 cup macaroni hanggang maluto. Dinrain ko. Nag-additional lang ako ng cheese and oil. So this is the glass form, guys, dahil i-bake natin ito. So lagyan natin una yung nasa ilalim. Ianin muna natin yung karne nasa ilalim para hindi siya masusunog, guys. So that is it. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paggawa na parang ma-covered lahat yung ano sa ilalim ng glass. So ito na yung macaroni, guys, na naluto na. Tapos nag-ano lang ako, mix ko lang siya ng cheese and ketchup. So that is extra yummy. So this is it. Nasa sa inyo lang, creative lang gagawa ng pagkain para makakain ang masarap sa inyong pamilya. So ito na siya, guys. Na ano na yung macaroni, scattered na. So yung the last na, guys, kasi yung pangatlong layer, yung ano naman, yung karne naman natin sa ibabaw. Para matakpan natin yung macaroni. So, that is it, guys. That is yummy and delicious. Kailangan madiskarte para makakain kayong masarap na pagkain ng iyong pamilya. We eat this one with garlic bread or salad. And this is yummy and tastes good. That is home cooking, guys. Kaya masarap. So, ito na, guys. Ready na. Ang sunod natin gawin, lagyan natin ng cheese sa ibabaw. Nasa inyo, anong klaseng cheese? Sa akin, isa lang. Anong klase lang ito? Yung natural na cheese lang, guys. Yung years bag cheese lang nilagay ko sa ibabaw. Ready to use na, guys. Makabili ka na sa grocery o supermarket na ready to use na. Ito na, is-scatter lang sa ibabaw ng glass pan. Now, bake in 220 minutes, guys. So, this is it. So, ito yung macaroni, guys, na paano pagluto. 1 cup macaroni. And then, within 10 minutes na luto ng macaroni, guys. I-drain mo lang dan. Add the ketchup and cheese, a little bit salt and pepper to make it extra yummy. So, this is it, guys. Yan ang nilagay ko yun sa gitna ng creamy Big Mac and cheeses with Miss Pork, guys. So, tuloy-tuloy lang pag-mix mo hanggang matapos pag-make yung ketchup and cheese. And then now that it is done after 220 minutes now it's done. So let's eat. Tikman na natin ang luto natin, gaano sarap. Masarap talaga, guys. Is this yummy and good and juicy. This is it. This is for family dinner for today, guys. So, ito nag-start na, guys. Ang sarap tingnan yung sa ibabaw. Napaka-creamy, guys, and juicy. And now, thank you sa inyong pagpamanood. And thank you sa pag-follow, paki-like, and paki-subscribe. And see you for the next. And bye!